Good morning, I'm Laura Zahn with Windermere North, and I wanted to show you the cutest little Craftsman bungalow ever in North Spokane. So I'm going to turn this around, and here we go. This is on North Washington Street, and down that way is Wellesley, and down that way is Division, and down that way is the fabulous Garland District, which you may have heard about. So this house was built in 1912, and it's been so updated. It's just an amazing house for 1,000 square feet, about on the first floor, and about half that much on in the basement, so 1,500 square feet. So you can see laminate flooring. There's carpet in this first bedroom. Light and bright and sunny and white. That's a twin bed that fits really well in there. You could get something bigger. Be a great office or a child's room or a second bedroom. Storage. Here's the really sunny, light bright living room with cool shades instead of curtains. Beautiful bathroom's been updated, redone. And over here is, well, we'll go into the bedroom first. So here's the other upstairs bedroom. And this is an ensuite bathroom, which you don't find in 2000 or 1912 houses. So that's really cute. Shower in there. And pretty good sized closet. I think this is a queen bed that's in here now. Now, the air conditioning unit kicked on. There's not central air in here. However, there is duct work, so that might be a possibility. And if not, you certainly could put a mini split in, although that little unit is cooling this house out just fine. So, we've got a movable island there in the middle and some slate flooring. Kitchen's over here with some updated cabinets, that cute little pass through, and there's all my open house materials. Sorry about that. Nicely updated dining room, and then just look, this is just so cute. So there's a cement patio here. Now under here is that's a former downstairs exit. So you could open that up again if you wanted. How cute is that gate? And this is a double gate that opens, so if you wanted to park a small car in here, you could. We'll come back out to the backyard the other way. Everything's fresh and clean. It looks, I don't know when they painted it, but it looks fresh, freshly painted. There's a little extra storage over here. Nice wrought iron gate. The laundry room has a doggy gate there. If you want to leave Fido in the laundry room, you can. Look how cute that is. Again, light and bright. And then this mud room is huge. And there's the doggy door over there. That's the doorway to the basement. I'm not going to go down there because it's steep steps, and also because I couldn't figure out how to turn the light on in one of the rooms. But there's one non-egress bedroom down there that you could certainly make into an egress bedroom. And look at this. A composite deck. It's just so pretty and cool out here. You'll spend all summer out here. And part of the spring and the fall too. There's a lilac tree. It's, I think, another lilac, although I'm not sure about that over there. There's a sprinkler system. There's plenty of sun there if you wanted to put in a big garden. There's a rhubarb there that's doing quite nicely. So this yard is beautiful. It's completely fenced. The dog will love it. You'll love it. And all of this is $375,000 in North Spokane. I'm Laura Zahn from North. I would love to help you. If you have questions about the real estate market in Spokane, please give me a call or email me, laurazahn@windermere.com. And my phone is area code 509-294-1085. Hope to hear from you soon.